Hey guys, Digital David here. Really excited today for a new product to be reviewing on my channel. Wirith sent me these Bluetooth wireless headphones to review. I'm not being compensated, but they did send me the products to test out. And I'm really excited about that and the new partnership forming. So stay tuned. I'll have another unboxing video for another set of Bluetooth wireless headphones from them. Really cool, really excited. Here's how it comes packaged to you. Again, nothing special in the box, but that helps, if you ask me, reduce the cost for these items because you're not going to keep the box anyway. So, in my mind, like, who cares if it's in this awesome packaging? But it's still really nice. They got their nice logo printed on the box, and it's cardboard and really sturdy to survive shipping. Now, this came to me in an Amazon envelope. That being said, go ahead, check out the link in my video description below. That'll take you to this product on Amazon. You can read reviews, see other people's thoughts, and check out this item for yourself if you want to go buy it. So I would appreciate that, especially if you use that link to do your shopping. I am an affiliate marketer with Amazon. That being said, we'll just jump right in to this and see what it's like. So again, the brand is Wirith, and yeah, just really excited to see what the build's like. And for the budget side of my review, they're under 20 bucks or right around that price point. So not going to break your bank and just be something great to have in your pocket or your gym bag as you go to work out or run on the street. So really excited. Here's how it comes to you. Really cool. All right. Sweet. So it came in a case. I didn't even know that. This is just to keep moisture out. So just go ahead and want to put that in the trash can. A business card and some instructions. Let's go ahead and look first. Free 1-year warranty. That's really nice. They're just thanking you. Madison, their director, is thanking you for purchasing their product and look forward to serving us in the future. Really nice that they include that. Here's their manual. Really good first impressions. It's in color and cool product imaging. And so it's just showing you how to connect and pair. So you turn on and hold for 4 seconds until blue light flashes, and then keep your device within 1 meter for pairing, and then turn your Bluetooth on and you'll find it. The device is listed as Earbuds from the list of devices. If prompted, the password for this or the PIN number is 40, so 0000, then select it. So really straightforward, just like anything else to pair with. And now it's cool on the back. I'm seeing some functions. There's a volume up, volume down, last song, next song, pause and play. So basically you do a short press of the plus button to turn it up, a short press of the minus button to turn it down, a long press of the plus button repeats your last song, or goes to the last song, and then the next song is a long press of the minus button. So yeah, that's really, really cool. And then there's a multi-function button on it, and so if you push that, it says a short press of the MFB once is to pause, and a short press of the MFB once is to play. So push it once to pause, push it shortly once next to play. So that's really cool. Great instructions. Now we'll go ahead and look at the headphones themselves. Cool case. Glad they gave it to you. Always good to have just to throw in your pocket. These look really cool. So we'll go ahead and take out the extra accessories first. Some extra different earbuds depending on the size and comfort of your ear. So that's really nice. And then we have a little USB to micro USB charger. Love that it's micro USB. Everybody seems to have a bunch of these cables lying around their house from either old smartphones before you owned an iPhone or anybody that owns an Android device, past, present, or future. This is just a great thing. I'm glad they continue to use that. USB-C wouldn't be bad either. That'd be coming. That's probably coming in the future, so that'd be a cool recommendation I have for them. But yeah, the headphones themselves look good. If you can see that in the video, they'll just fit right around your ear. And then this is actually angled in for your ear, which is pretty cool too. So just to make sure that it'll stick in your ear, not fall out while you're working out. Looks really cool. You can see you have the plus button here, the minus button's further in. Your multi-function button is just this side right here. You can see, now I turned it on actually too, and it's blinking, so it's looking like it wants to pair with my device. No buttons on the left side earpiece, just the right side. Yeah, so this is really cool. Go ahead, we'll take the twisty tie off just to see the headphones. So there's the cord length. There'll be plenty of length to put behind your head, and then we'll just see what it's like putting it in the ear, if I can even do this right. One's in. Really comfortable. More comfortable than I would have thought. And I love that it's curved in. So they definitely have designed this to stay in your ear. Here's the cable. Not as much not too much extra, so just stay back here and it won't bother you. You can put it under your shirt or just get it out of the way. You could probably keep this if you really wanted. But really happy, great cable length. They feel really good in my ear. Like I said, better than I would have thought. I don't usually use these types of headphones. I have the Google Pixel Buds that I use. But yeah, really happy with that. Really cool. Pretty straightforward. But that's it. This is my review of these products. Really happy, really impressed. They're not going to break your budget. Quality, build quality seems great. And it's a new brand that I'm looking forward to seeing more products and kind of maybe putting these through the ringers and seeing how they hold up long term. So really, really excited, cool brand. Love the black and white color, really sharp looking. So great headphones, manual clearly tells you how to set it up. Just like any other Bluetooth device, not going to bother boring you with that in this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, share. Happy dialogue with you guys. Open to suggestions, reviews, any of that stuff. So look forward to seeing you. And if you haven't yet, hit that sub button. And I really appreciate that. And stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.